Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix OneDrive cannot connect to Windows error. First method is type cmd in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net/sh space int space ip space reset. Type net/sh space winsock space reset. Exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Second method is type cmd in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type cd space drivers. Type sc space query. cldflt. State for service is running. sc space config space cldflt space start equal to auto. Exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. If it is showing anything else, execute the command is given on description. Exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.